give them like dirty none. Like you're blessed, but you're not blessed.
What's a dirty nun?
Oh my God. It's like when you give them like one of those.
I hold on to these memories because of you. Our love was true. I hold on to these memories.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Yes, okay. So anyway, the Quarantine and Slay series, this is the last color in my Quarantine and Slay series, and I am going to show you everything that I've done. So I've done red, I've done orange, I've done yellow, I've done blue. Oh my God, I always forget. Okay, wait, I've done red, I've done orange, I've done yellow, I've done green, I've done blue, I've done indigo, and I've done violet. So we are officially finished with our Quarantine and Slay series. I am so excited about that. I can't. Guys, I did a whole series for y'all. A whole series with every color of the rainbow, okay? Like, so tonight we're finishing it up with, besides the orange hair, which you can watch a video on because I talked about my ginger spice, which I originally thought it was like a cinnamon copper, which is actually ginger. Don't ask. But anyway, this color, this hair will be on a separate video and the install. But this face right now, indigo, I use my own makeup pigment and I figured out how to use it. So I'm very proud. I just have stuck with itness is what that's called. Keep going. Even when you feel like you're failing, just do it anyway. And somehow it ends up working out. So my own makeup pigment is in the color that I probably used before with the blue, like that dark blue look that I did with the light center. But this is like the blue liner, and I will show you guys my inspiration picture. Okay, so I'll just show you guys a picture or an insert of who I got the inspiration with this hair from. I mean, not hair, the makeup from. And yeah, so that's really it, guys. Oh, if you have not liked, commented, or subscribed, please make sure you do that now. I'll wait. What's a dirty nun?
Oh my God. It's like when you give them like one of those.
Okay, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think that's it for this video, guys. And like I said, this hair video will be up as well. I'm not sure which one I'm posting first, so you might see the makeup and then get the hair. You might see the hair, then get the makeup. Either way, you get 2 videos in one. Why wouldn't you watch? So yeah, I think that's it, and yeah, bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting off with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the color C12. This is what I always use to prime my eyes, guys, so you already know this is what I'm using right now. And now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and the color that I'm using for this is Morocco, and that's in my crease color. And then I went in with the color Jezebel, and I think Kenya, so I used those 2 colors as well, and I just blended those both into my crease. Now, after blending both of those out, I'm going in with my P. Louise base, and this is in the color Rumor 0. This is pretty much like a white base, and I'm just using this to cut my crease. This is my first time using this product, but I really like it. It's very thick, and it's tacky, I want to say, a little bit, so it's easier for the eyeshadow to actually stick to your eyes. So as you can see, I went off camera and actually completed one eye. I think my battery died, and of course it wasn't recording. So right here, I'm going back in with that P. Louise base, and I'm going to show you how I achieved the other eye look. Now I'm going in with my Iconic palette, and over that P. Louise space, I'm actually just placing the colors Ultimate Tan and Marshmallow on my eye, and that's gonna like soften up the white a little bit, and that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just taking the brush that I used, the Morocco, well I used the shadow, the Juvia's Place shadow with, the Morocco and the Jezebel I believe, and I'm just tapping out my outer V, I want to say, and just blending in everything so it looks seamless. So that was what I did there. And now I'm going in with the Mio Makeup pigment, and this is in the color, it's like a dark blue indigo royal color. And I actually put on my NYX glitter glue. I don't know, I didn't show you guys that. I think I dipped it in the NYX glitter glue first, and then I'm actually putting on the Mio Makeup pigment so it can like stick to my eye, and the color didn't fall out too much. So I'm doing that, and I'm just creating my wing liner look with this. Now here I just put on my lashes, and I'm just cleaning up any fallout underneath my eye. This is just a makeup wipe. Actually, this is like a hemp makeup wipe. I really like these makeup remover wipes. And I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and then my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 440. And I'm just blending this out all over my face. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Tan, and I'm just placing this everywhere I want to highlight my face. So under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose. And then I am going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I am using the color C12 to just brighten my under eye a little bit. So again, I'm going to blend this out. You guys already know what I say when I blend. It takes me a good 20 minutes to just blend everything out. Take your time doing this. You don't have to rush. We're not going anywhere. So pretty much just blending everything out until everything looks seamless. Now after I blended everything out, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the color, I believe it's medium deep. Again, everything will be down below for all the deets on my makeup. So I'm just placing that everywhere I highlighted. And now I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery flower powder in the color brown, placing this all over my face and bringing some color back to my face. I'm going to use my Mocha Mami by Fenty, and I'm just going to conceal my face. I haven't really been doing too much contouring lately, but this is just me contouring a bit. I'm putting like, this is like a blush red color, so I feel like I don't know. I placed that on my nose, and I kind of wanted it to stand out a little bit. And then this is me contouring my nose, like a quick tutorial. And this is after I blended everything together. I am finished. I put brows on off camera. I actually have 2 beauty marks on my face, and I'm just bringing those out with a black liner. So that's what you see me doing here. And making sure I blend everything together. Putting on some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I am pretty much done. Oh, this is blush. I think this is my e.l.f. blush, the e.l.f. blush palette I've been using the whole time. Who else puts their Carmex on like this? Is it just me? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys do that too. Spraying my face, and this is the Saweetie Peach setting spray, which smells amazing. And I'm pretty much done, guys. I'm taking off my head wrap. This hair, I actually have it already posted on my YouTube channel. I actually have a tutorial for this entire look. This is from Summer's Glam Tresses, my collection. If you go to summersbeautyworld.com, you can shop my 613 bundles, and this is the deep wave. So yeah, these for the hair. My lips, I am using my NYX Urban Cafe and NYX London, I believe, for my lips. Again, everything will be down in the description box below. And I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery brown flour powder, and I'm placing this over my hairline just to make sure that it looks flawless. And yeah, I'm good to go. Feeling myself, feeling like I look cute. And then just when you think I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna go back with a wax stick and a hot comb and just make sure that I smooth it back again. So again, if you want to see this tutorial for my hair, it is already up on my channel. This is my 613 bundles that I watercolored, Cajun spice. And yeah, that whole entire process is on my channel, so go check that out. I'm doing my little humps here, and that is really it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.